loves, welcome. I hope you're having a great day. Today we will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown for our updated eyebrow tutorial. The first thing I do is outline the bottom as well as the top, and then I fill it in all the way. I then use this Morphe brush and dip it into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the light shade. This is the medium contour palette. I use this to clean up any lines that might need a little sprucing up, making sure all the lines are straight, making sure the brow bone is angled properly. I also clean up the top of my brow just because I want it to look sharp. It looks a little funny now, but I do fix it as I keep on cleaning. So you see I am cleaning it up there, making sure the lines aren't so harsh. So I go into the dark shade to just make sure all the lines and my eyebrows match the color of my hair, and then I go in and clean it up again, make sure all the lines are straight. One of the things I like to do is have the beginning of the brow from the inner corners look lighter than the outside, just so it has that ombre kind of Instagram brow effect. I personally like that. That's why I go in with the brush after to clean it up. This is my updated eyebrow tutorial using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in dark brown. Just to let you know, these are the brows that I would do before I apply eyeshadow and foundation and beat my face for the gods. The inner corner of the brows do get more ombre after applying foundation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe and leave a comment with some suggestions. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.